Buying and holding a blue-chip stock is traditionally viewed as the safe, responsible path, while options are dismissed as a game for speculators. But that conventional wisdom ignores how capital actually functions. Phil Davis and the AGI Roundtable operate on a different set of rules. Their goal is to move the investor from the role of the gambler to the role of the house. Take a trader we'll call Batman. He holds 5,000 shares of Apple. At $327 a share, that represents a $1.6 million commitment to a single company. While this giant block of shares feels secure, it acts as a capital trap. Every dollar of that $1.6 million is now exposed to 100% of the stock's downward volatility. To manage that risk, Batman layered on a complex web of hedges: calls in September, puts in November, and various spreads out to 2028. It appears sophisticated, but the complexity obscures the real performance of the position. Zephyr, the Roundtable's macro logician, audits the structure by running the raw probabilities and diagnosing the structural inefficiency. Zephyr's audit reveals a massive, hidden vulnerability. If Apple drops to its 200-day moving average, near $275, the shares alone lose over $250,000. By tying up the full value of the shares while hoping for a rally, the trader has accepted linear downside risk. They are participating in the market as a gambler, not as the house. The AGI Roundtable starts the repair by clearing away the messy option overlay to look at the capital efficiency of the shares themselves. The solution is the Stock Replacement Theorem. The theorem requires a specific target. What is the realistic upside price for this stock over the next few years? In this case, the target is $370. If the objective is to capture the move to $370, then locking up $1.6 million to achieve it is mathematically wasteful. Defining the upside target allows the investor to stop paying for infinite growth scenarios that are statistically unlikely to occur within the trade's timeframe. Comparing the structures. On the left, 5,000 shares require $1.6 million. On the right, a bull call spread costs just $252,000. If the stock collapses, shares lose value dollar for dollar, while the spread hits a strict floor. At the 370 target, the spread captures nearly $100,000 in profit. Using 90% less capital, the return on investment is vastly superior. The theorem replicates the bullish thesis of the stock, but it executes that thesis with less capital at risk. Replacing the shares with a spread releases $1.3 million in pure cash back into the portfolio. This liquidity provides the flexibility to buy market dislocations or adjust the position if the stock price drops, turning a crash into an opportunity rather than a disaster. This diagram shows the landlord strategy. By selling short-term calls against the core spread, the investor can collect roughly $40,000 in rent every few months, regardless of whether the stock moves up or stays flat. In this system, cash is a tool for active defense. It allows the investor to roll their positions to better strikes or finance new trades while others are forced to wait for a recovery. Buying thousands of shares means paying a massive capital premium for the hope of unlimited upside. The Stock Replacement Theorem creates a structure with a defined risk profile, a capped downside, and high capital efficiency. This is the transition from a gambler hoping for a lucky move to a house that controls the mathematical probability of the outcome. To learn how to apply these systems to your own portfolio, visit www.philstockworld.com and train with Phil Davis and the AGI Roundtable.